Tindari, Sicily, Italy. Come all the way here to the car park, park it, and then buy your tickets. In the distance, you'll be able to see the sanctuary/church. €2 for the cars, so place that into your car. Wait at the bus stop for the shuttle bus up. It's €1 per person to go up and down. The buses come about every 15 to 20 minutes. On the side, there is a board with lots of information that you can go through. Behind the bus stop and the tree, there's a very nice seat in the shade. Show your ticket to the driver and he will rip it, then you can get onto the bus. It is an extremely hot day, there's no air conditioning, the driver goes out and gets a drink, so it is extremely hot. It is sometimes better to stand rather than sit because the sun's shining on you. Luckily, when the driver comes back on, he does turn on the air conditioning, but it is very weak. The journey takes about 10 minutes up, and you're not allowed to take your own vehicle because you need to be authorized. He'll drop you off here, and as soon as you get out, there's a bunch of shops. These shops only accept cash. Some of them will give you samples to try. It's a short distance uphill, however it is extremely hot, and you have a very nice view along the way. I would still recommend walking shoes because my feet was bleeding on the way up. So now you made it to the top and you can see the church. There's lots of details on the front. When you're ready, the entrance is on your right. Enter inside, it's completely free since you've already paid earlier, and this is the middle. And this is behind you. This is where we originally came from the left-hand side. So walking on the left-hand side, it is a one-way system, however I don't think it matters too much. As usual, on the side you can see all the paintings. In the very center, we can see the famous Black Madonna. This is a 12th century wooden carving, and you can look all the way to the very top. Behind us is a stained glass window, so earlier I showed you this painting, but it was upside down, so this is the correct way. So we're taking a left instead, so this is now backwards, because the story starts from this side rather than the one-way system. It is all written in Italian, but it's a really great story about the Black Madonna. Personally, I think the first four is the most important, and then the one in the middle is more about celebration, and then towards the end it's more celebration and bringing it back to the sea. So all of that's all about celebrating the Black Madonna. So with the burning and the fights and things, the Black Madonna still survived. Continuing our path on the left, we have a tomb, and then we see the center again. Now we make our way towards the exit. You can pick up a prayer card along the way or make a donation. We're back outside again, and there's plenty of souvenir shops, a restaurant, a bar, toilets, and a very beautiful viewpoint. You can put a coin into the telescope and have a look into the distance. Tindari is known for its natural beaches. That's why most people come by boat. Continuing along the side, we can find another church. So you go into here, go up the stairs or the lift, and then open the door into the church. As you saw on the sign earlier, it's not usually opened, so we're quite lucky to be able to see this. There are some fans in here, so here you're able to cool down a little bit. On the right hand side, there's a little room that you can enter. Outside the window, you can see the beach more clearly. Obviously there's no shops or anything, it's all natural. So you would need to park quite far away and be able to walk all the way to where you want to sit. When you finish, you can head all the way back down. Remember, there is no shade from that bus stop. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!